Hey guys, so I've got another very specific video here today. I'm working on my 2010 Ford Taurus, and I had, well, this engine, it's the non-turboed 6-cylinder. I had an engine light pop on a couple days ago, and I went ahead and scanned it, and it was for an O2 sensor. It was bank 1, sensor 1, which, if I'm correct, and double check before you start diving into this, but it's this sensor back here that I've already pulled out. You can see the hole right here. Anyways, it's a big pain in the butt to get to because it's right up against that firewall. So I'm going to show you what I did. First thing first, disconnect the battery, and then I took my intake off. You can see over here, not much to that, couple hoses and connections. So get that out of the way, and you can see I tried to remove this bracket, but that gave me no more room. So there's just no way to get a wrench down in here. So what I did was break out the crowfoot wrenches, and more specifically a 22 millimeter, and get a couple extensions and my ratchet. And that was enough to be able to get down here and get it on that O2 sensor, but I didn't have the torque to break it free. So you can see my jack handle sitting here, and it will slide right over that ratchet, and that give me enough leverage to be able to break that O2 sensor free. So I think while this intake's off, I'm going to go ahead and replace the spark plugs. I've already got those, and if you take your intake off, you might as well just go ahead and replace the gaskets underneath. I mean, why not? They'll be cheap enough. So yeah, anyways, if you're stuck doing that O2 sensor, that's the easiest way I found to get it done. Yep, hope this helps somebody. Thanks for watching, guys.